We'll guide you through how to export scrolling text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click Figma to access the design platform. After a few moments, the Figma main page will appear in your browser window. Before continuing, ensure you've already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. To export scrolling text in Figma, locate your recent projects and click the project you want to edit. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open on screen. Next, find a text layer you want to turn into scrolling text and create a copy of it on the canvas. After duplicating the text layer, click the Actions tool in the toolbar to access additional features. From the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets, then type scrolling text into the search field. When the plugin appears in the search results, click it and select Run to launch the plugin window. After the plugin opens, paste your text into the available text field provided by the plugin. Once the text has been entered, select Create Scrolling Text to generate the scrolling animation effect automatically. After the scrolling text element has been created successfully, click the Actions tool again in the toolbar. Choose Plugins and Widgets once more and type Export to GIF into the search bar. From the results, select the plugin and open it. If prompted, choose Continue as Guest, and then click I'm ready to proceed. The plugin will process your design and display a preview of the scrolling text animation. Carefully review the preview to ensure the movement, speed, and appearance match your expectations. If everything looks correct, click the Start Export button to begin generating the file. The export process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the animation. Once the export is complete, the generated file will be automatically saved on your computer.